There are two ways to add an object in Blender. On the very top, right by object, there is add. If we click add, we can go to mesh and we can select one of these meshes. So these are meshes that we can select. There's plane, there's cube, UV sphere. There's a lot of cool stuff. So for fun, let's add a monkey. So this is the Blender monkey. Now let's delete this. And let's add using the keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut is Shift+A. So Shift+A will have the add menu pop up. So with the add menu popped up, let's navigate to the monkey and we can create monkey in this way. So I personally use Shift+A. Again, I'm a big believer in Blender shortcuts. So Shift+A is to add, X is to delete. Shift+A is to add, X is to delete.